How's it going, YouTube? I just want to give you guys a few picks for today and give you guys a video coming out early so that way you guys have some runners that are possibly coming out today. My first pick, I'm going to go ahead and jump on the screen here so that way you guys can see a little proof behind it. Um, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys off the bat BNGO. I called this yesterday. If you look at my video yesterday, I called this as the possible run up. It was actually right here at 119, and now it's at 148 after pre-market. I still see this as a possible run up. I'll show you why right here. Obviously, it's consolidated. It tried to break highs, like I said yesterday, came down, consolidated, and broke new highs. And you can see that it's trying to break new reactionary highs here. You can see there's gaps to fill in this area. So if this breaks this resistance line at 150, I see this possibly going to $2, 250 because of the volume behind it. You can see the buy pressure has obviously been killing it. I really like this stock a lot for a continuation. I've been swinging this for a while now. I think that, like I said, today's one of those days you can get a day trade on it, or even possibly a continuation, possibly to till tomorrow. My next play is going to be SNDL. SNDL just came out in news this morning. As you can see, there's a bull flag. I'm trying to pull out here, and you can see pre-market has actually broke that. It's all the way up here now. It did break it. It went up to 48 this morning actually, and so it was trying to break it. The news that it came out with is that they're buying a SPAC. We're trying to see what kind of news they're going to read on this. We're trying to see if it's going to be a reactionary move or not. So what we're doing is waiting for a confirmation on this. And in my opinion, I would buy if it broke 50 cents. The reason why is I'll show you right here. 50 cents. You can see it's pretty common with these penny stocks for it to try to break 50 cents. In fact, I don't think it broke 50 because it hit the resistance line. Now it's at 47.70. It's basically going to figure out what's going to happen later on today. Like I said, possibly for a run up. So keep that on your watch list. If you want to keep this chart in front of you, go for it. But like I said, if it breaks 50, then there's pretty good confidence that it's going to break new highs and possibly go to $1 and do what penny stocks do sometimes, especially with the volume and the hype behind it, and them being debt free that they mentioned a week ago. So that's huge for penny stock, especially. The last one I want to mention is HEPA. HEPA, I see its continuation today. You could see it's obviously has its trend line. This morning it broke up to 280. A lot of you guys are like, wow, it already broke, but no, that's not true. It filled its gap. And I put this support line here so you can see that its previous lows, it actually bounced off of. It not only bounced, but it did fill this gap. And I see this as a possible swing trade and also a continuation day. Like I said, HEPA is one of those plays that we saw what it did here. And it could be doing something along the lines of what BNGO did, which is it hit this resistance, came back down, needed some consolidation, and then now it's breaking back up to possibly new highs. So I'm watching this. Around this time is when I would buy around, once it breaks around $3, I would probably buy as a safer play. A lot of you guys are wondering like low risk plays, and this is my opinion of a low risk play is when they're breaking out on charts. Again, I'm going to say this disclaimer real quick so that you guys know this is not financial advice. Obviously, you should contact a financial advisor for any professional advice. But however, I've been doing pretty well with my trades, so that's why I'm kind of sharing what I've been doing. And if you guys can do me a favor, smash a like, subscribe, and I appreciate everybody that's in here. If you could do me a favor as well, comment any stocks that you guys have. I'll go ahead and comment and reply to any of you guys' comments and give you guys my thoughts. But other than that, I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you later. I'll probably post a video later on today on what I think is a possible good play for the next day. But for now, I wanted to post a morning video so that way you guys can have some type of play, some type of idea on what you can go into today. Again, you really want to stay up to date on your news, really know your companies. But for now, I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys in a little while.